his friend was suffering with back pain, and yes, that is Ramachandra Reddy. Then somebody suggested to do meditation. So then he started doing. He doesn't know what meditation means, but basic idea is sitting in and closing eyes. Then he started doing all night. He was sitting and doing. One night happened, second night happened, third night immediately. Third night over, fourth morning, immediately his back pain is gone. So in the same way, Patriji sir also started the meditation. So every night he was sitting all night. Patriji sir's driver and other testimonials also there in the YouTube, GMPWisdom Youtube channel. These two Patriji sir's words about how he learned meditation from Ramachandra Reddy, how he learned and how Patriji sir learned. And Patriji sir also doing like that. So all night he was sitting. Of course, then he got a lot of benefits out of it. And as he started saying to people, people are surprised. Oh, all night? Is it all night? At the time, it's like 1979. At the time, the society and whole world is not ready for the all night meditation. Of course, now also only few people will be, what is this all night? Surprised. Right? Then Patriji was telling that all night meditation, it will give relaxation and also energy. Both it will give. All night you sit and relax. He was saying sit and sleep. Instead of meditation, he said learn how to sit and sleep. It's one of the way to energize, maximize energies. That's what Patriji was mentioning.
We have all duties in the daytime and we have all time in the night to do meditation. The whole night is there for meditation. The whole daytime is there for doing duties perfectly. When you do your duties perfectly in the daytime, you will do perfect meditation in the night time. When you do meditation perfectly in the night time, you will do your subsequent days, daily duties perfectly.